In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel your Freshbooks subscription with ease. Freshbooks is an excellent tool for managing your invoices and accounting needs. But should you ever decide it's no longer the right fit for you, it is essential to know how to effectively cancel your subscription. To get things started, you need to visit the Freshbooks website. It's usually best to do this from a computer or laptop, as it provides the greatest ease of use. Ensure you know your login credentials, and once you're successfully logged in, your journey to canceling your subscription begins. You'll land on the Freshbooks dashboard, a page you've likely become quite familiar with during your period of subscription. Here, you'll want to look towards the top right corner for your profile photo. It's there, nestled comfortably amidst all the other options. Once you've spotted your profile photo, you will need to click on it. Clicking on your profile picture causes a drop-down menu of various options to appear. Your eyes should be seeking out one option in particular: billing and upgrade. This is where you're heading next, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you should find yourself on the billing and upgrade page. Once here, you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. It's a little bit of a journey, but bear with me. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a link with the clear and self-explanatory text: cancel your account. Give that a click. Now, Freshbooks doesn't want you to leave, so it will present you with a moment of reflection by asking you to confirm your decision. No need for second thoughts. Click on Continue to Cancel to carry on with the cancellation. Finally, Freshbooks may wish for some optional feedback. This final step is entirely up to you. If you've got time, it could be helpful for Freshbooks to understand your reasons for leaving. Whether you provide feedback or not, your cancellation will be finalized, and you've successfully canceled your Freshbooks subscription. This concludes the tutorial on how to cancel a Freshbooks subscription. We hope this process was smooth for you, and we wish you all the best with your future accounting and invoice needs.